Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video tutorial we will learn how to quickly convert your PDF file to JPG image file. So this process you can complete online. So just guys, you need to open any web browser on your PC, desktop, laptop. After opening in the Google, you want to search PDF to JPG online Adobe. Just like this, you want to search and open the first link of the search result page like this, and here you can get the official website of Adobe as you can see. So just first of all you want to select a file, so just click on select a file option like this, and wherever your PDF file is available just select this and click on open. That's it. After uploading guys, you can get this type of interface. Here you want to select convert to JPG, just click on it. As you can see guys, now your PDF file was converting into JPG file. So the file was ready. If you want to download, you need to sign in on this website. You can sign in with your Google account easily. Just click on continue with Google. After this guys, enter your email address and password. After this guys, you can easily able to download this JPG file. So this is the very easy and very simple method to quickly convert any PDF file into JPG file. So that's it for today guys. This is a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.